Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into the world of crypto security and management with a look at Ledger.com. If you're like me, making sure your digital assets are safe and sound is top priority. Let's break down what Ledger offers and whether it's the safest place for your crypto. First off, Ledger is not just a hardware wallet, it's a full suite for crypto enthusiasts. With support for over 5,500 coins and tokens, it's incredibly versatile. Whether you're buying, swapping, or staking your crypto, Ledger aims to provide a secure environment for all those transactions. Now, buying crypto can be straightforward with Ledger. You can use your credit or debit card or even direct bank transfers. And for those of you looking to exchange your coins, Ledger facilitates that too. But here's a feature I find particularly interesting: staking. Yes, you can actually stake your crypto directly through the Ledger Live app to earn rewards. Speaking of the Ledger Live app, it enhances the whole experience by allowing you to manage your assets conveniently from one place. The user interface is clean and intuitive, making it accessible even for those who are new to the crypto world. But let's talk security, the heart of the matter. Ledger introduces something called Ledger Recover, provided by CoinCover. This is crucial because one of the biggest fears in crypto is losing access to your assets. With Ledger Recover, you get a safety net. However, remember, Ledger will never ask for the 24 words of your recovery phrase. That's a standard security measure against phishing attacks. Always keep that phrase private. Finally, Ledger keeps you updated with new coins supported, blog updates, and exclusive offers through their newsletter. It's a great way to stay informed about the latest in crypto security and management directly from the source. So, is Ledger.com the safest place for your crypto? Based on what I've seen, it provides robust tools and services designed with security at their core. However, always do your own research and ensure that any platform you use meets your specific needs and security expectations. That's it for today's review. If you're into securing your digital assets and want a comprehensive tool to manage your crypto, Ledger might just be worth considering. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech insights. Catch you in the next video.